Amazon trends change fast. What was selling incredibly well last month, today might be irrelevant. If you want to sell trending viral products, you need to watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can find trends before your competition and how and when you should launch them. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I'm gonna show you at the end step-by-step process to validate a product to make sure that you don't select or you don't sell the wrong type of product at the wrong time. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on this video, and let's get started. By the way, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers just like you on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Whether you are a brand new seller, haven't even started, or you are currently selling on Amazon, we have incredible programs where we can assist you one-on-one with anything that you need. You can find out more information on our website as well as book a call with our team to learn a little bit more, www.assmiddleeast.org. And by the way, if you subscribe to the channel and you leave a comment in the comment section below, you might be eligible to win a one-on-one call with me where we discuss everything related to Amazon. And the person that won in today's video is the person that left this comment. Congratulations! 3 main steps for this video, starting off with how you can find viral products to sell on Amazon. But let me take a step back. Why are trending and viral products so difficult and scary to sell, but at the same time, they might be interesting for you to sell? Well, because trends change. Not only do they change because of seasonality, because of market demand, but nowadays, viral products, trending products change because of social media. And I think in particular TikTok. All of a sudden, things like the fidget spinner, the Pop-It, or the fruit roll-ups, just all of a sudden everyone is searching for them and buying them. So how do we find these viral products before they become viral products or trending products? And how do we validate whether or not you should be selling them? Of course, you need to try to get a product before the trend becomes very trendy, because then it's probably too late and there's too much competition. And if it's a short trend, the product might be on the low scale and like fading away, and you don't want to be selling it at that point. So let's start with step number 1, finding trending products. I'm not going to be utilizing any tool. I'm actually going to be utilizing Amazon. And no matter which Amazon marketplace you intend to sell in, you're going to find this page that I'm going to tell you about in your Amazon platform. This is a customer page, but you can look at it as a seller as well. And it's the Amazon Movers and Shakers page. You should be able to find it once you click on the hamburger menu, and you can see it right here, Movers and Shakers. The concept of this page, first of all, is to find the products that within 24 hours have seen an incredible increase in sales. And you will see that Amazon actually gives you the percentages, and it gives you the previous rank and the current rank. I'm always looking for products that have a minimum of 500% increase within the past 24 hours. So let's go into the kitchen category and let's look at some products. As you can see, lots of different and interesting products. Here are the 3 main criteria you should be looking for. Number 1, exponential growth. So you want to see high percentages of growth within 24 hours. Number 2, it needs to be a unique product for sure, but it shouldn't be like a gadget gimmicky thing, because we're looking for products that we can sell a little bit long term. And number 3, we want to find good reviews and good rankings, because we want to make sure that people like the product. Yes, it might be the product quality that's an issue, but we just want to make sure that customers are happy purchasing the product so that we can go ahead and find something similar. Look at this product as an example, has seen an increase of 459, so almost 500% overnight in 24 hours. The sales rank was, the BSR or the sales rank was 1,800, and now it's 322. So that's a huge jump. This is also another product that is related to coffee pods. also has seen an increase of 356% from 1,772 all the way up to 388. So that's 2 coffee pod holders in the same day, I guess, in the same 24 hours. Of course, there are several criteria that you need to be looking at, and I'm gonna discuss that, so keep watching the video till the end. But the cool thing is that movers and shakers is available for every single category of Amazon, and sometimes in some categories you can find subcategories as well, like the electronics. You can find subcategories so that you can find and try to get even more information from this page. Step number 2, validating if it's a real opportunity. Here are a few red flags or things that you want to avoid. Number 1, you don't want to see sharp spikes in demand, because what is going to go up very quickly is also going to go down very quickly in terms of demand. Number 2, competition. Of course, you, as always, want to try to avoid products that are being sold by well-known brands, because it's going to be a little bit difficult to compete. Trending products, well-known brands is going to be quite difficult. And number 3, of course, when you go to the source and try to figure out how much it costs you to get this product, you need to ensure that the product can make you money. Specifically with trending products, the more and more people start selling these products, the lower and lower the price of the product is going to be, which means your margins are going to be low. That's another reason why you want to try to catch the trend much faster than trying to sell a product once it's already viral and trending. So of course, you can utilize data-driven approach, and you can utilize lots of data tools that we as sellers on Amazon use. And my favorite tool that I always talk about on the channel is Helium 10, which currently works for Amazon UAE, hopefully Amazon Saudi Arabia soon. If you're selling on Amazon Saudi Arabia, another tool that you can use is AMZ Scout, also a great tool that also works on Amazon UAE. So based on the criteria that I just talked about, I need to validate whether or not this is just like a one-time product, or what exactly is happening with this product. Is there something trending that I want to know about? As you can see, I can click on the actual revenue and try to figure out how many sales this seller has been getting. I can go back to 1 year if the product has been selling for quite some time, and I can see actually consistent sales really since April or June of last year. The seller has been selling around 3 to 4 units every single day, which is not that bad. They're just seeing a quick spike in sales right now, which is awesome. But this is certainly a product that has longevity and might be something that I'm interested in, interested in selling. Now, in terms of the brand, SkyTouch is one of those Chinese well-known brands on Amazon UAE. So one of the reasons why they sell very well is because their pricing is extremely low. And their quality is very good, because they're able to get and source products directly from China, and they are one of Amazon's vendor sellers, so it's quite difficult to compete with this brand. If there are other brands similar, all of them well-known brands selling this type of product, again, this would be a product that you would want to avoid. But if it's only one brand, then you would need to figure out ways to compete with this brand that are not related to the price. Number 3, staying ahead of your competition. So let's say you found a really good product, you see that it's getting more and more demand, exactly like we saw. The number 1 thing is you need to start looking for suppliers in order to, again, validate whether or not this is a product that you can sell. So number 1, you want to look at local suppliers, maybe in the country where you're selling, because it'll be much faster. Or you can go to Alibaba and find great Chinese suppliers with probably customization options and lower pricing. Number 2, you can obviously sell these products as generic, as is, or you can also opt to do private label, which basically means adding your label on the actual product, which is exactly what SkyTouch, the example that we saw before, this brand does exactly that. And if the product is really viral, I would consider pre-launching it on social media. Getting people hyped up, the fact that the product is going to be available soon is a really good idea, so that whenever it launches on Amazon, you've already nurtured so many customers, and then you can just push them to log into Amazon and immediately buy this viral and trending product. Lastly, here are some common mistakes that you should avoid. Number one, like I spoke in the beginning, don't jump on the trend too late. If there's too many people selling it, too many people talking about it, like the viral Dubai chocolate, you don't want to be selling this product. There's just too much noise and too much competition, and it's a little bit too late. Number three, not checking competition. So getting really excited about the product and selling it without checking competition is not a smart thing to do, especially on a platform like Amazon, where competition is officially built into the platform. And number three, of course, this is very important, ignoring quality control. No matter how viral the product is, how trendy the product is, if the quality of the product is bad, you've got a big problem. Here are some things to do in order to make sure that you avoid the mistakes that I talked about. Number one, always be researching. You need to find the product well ahead of time of when it becomes a huge sensation. Number two, because you're looking at products way ahead of time, you can easily find suppliers and you can negotiate. When a product is very, very, very in demand, suppliers are not going to negotiate with you because they know people want to buy this product. And number three, this is not something new. You could always check customer reviews of a product so that you can figure out what unique selling points you can add to the product or what problems the product has so that you can fix them. There you have it, trending viral products maybe on Amazon. Is it a good idea for you to sell these types of products? Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comments section below. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.